My name is Tonya Powers, and I'm the Executive Director for the Franklin County Industrial Building Authority. And today I have Lee Moore, the Mayor of Franklin Springs, who also serves as the Chairman to the Industrial Building Authority here in Franklin County.
We just want to share with you a few roles, ideas, things that are going on in Franklin County to why you should choose Franklin County to live, work, and play.
So in my mind, I'm dealing with all things development authority all day, every day long. If I had the opportunity to sit down and talk with every individual, every citizen one-on-one, I would kind of go through, this is what it takes, right? You know, we want people to live here, but we want them to afford to do other things that they love, right?
And not only live here, we want them to work here.
We want to work here.
There's almost, what, 7,000 people that drive out of Franklin County every day to go to work. That's right. So, you know, we feel like it's our job or our responsibility to bring in great paying jobs. We're bringing in a tax base, things that are going to help out our emergency services, where it's fire protection, police protection, EMS protection. And we're updating and bringing in infrastructure that these industries are helping us put the bill for.
I think it's so incredibly unique in that we do have representation from each city, one representation from each city, but we also have representation, more representation from our Board of Commissioners, as they, not only they get to select, hey, who do we want representing us?
That's right.
And then they get to elect them. So we get representation, you know, from the county as well. So partnership there on our IBA board. But then also partnership with the commissioners, our utility partners, Georgia Power, Hart EMC, any of the EMCs that are out
there. Natural gas companies.
Natural gas companies, City of Royston, everybody plays a part.
We want to create a great industrial environment. We want to have it where people want to live, work, and play here. I'm born and raised in Franklin County, and I hope my children want to stay and live in Franklin County.
But I want to highlight the assets and the benefits of being from here, growing this community, and like just bringing all that like goodness out of them. You know?
I'm proud to say I was born and raised in Franklin County, and I'm proud to say I live here, and I'm proud to say that, you know, everything that I do or make a decision on, whether you agree or not with me or with our board, is for the betterment of Franklin County, because we want to put Franklin County first. You know, we really do.
And I think that's really cool about the diversity of the Development Authority Board. And I know the commissioners are made up of different, all of the boards in the council that each city has and the county has. Everybody's different.
You know, I was looking, you know, in your office this morning on that wall right beside your desk. What was that quote that's on your wall about Rome?
Rome wasn't built in a day, but every day they were laying brick.
That's right.
But right now it's a great time to be in economic development.
Right.
Because we're not in the place of we have to take whatever comes. We get to look at and say, does this fit who we are? Does this fit the jobs that we have skilled labor for?
You do a lot for the authority, and I just want to tell you how much the authority appreciates what you do. You've done a tremendous job for us, and you're the face of the authority. The Franklin County Industrial Building Authority has two main goals. We want to bring great jobs to Franklin County, and we want to reduce the tax burden on our citizens. We work hand in hand with our local leadership as well as regional leadership to see those goals come to fruition.